Welcome to my channel Maths on Board by Vedavati. Yesterday I have completed basic proportionality theorem proof. Today I am going to teach converse of basic proportionality theorem. Straight and true converse of basic proportionality theorem means, what is the statement? If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. See here what you have to prove, what they are giving. If a line, take a triangle ABC. In this, if you draw a line, it divides the other two sides in the same proportion or same ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. These are two sides means this is the third side. That we have to prove. Further, this theorem can be proved by taking a line DE such that if you take DE line, it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Then same ratio means what? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. And to prove this, DE is parallel to BC, you have to assume DE is not parallel to BC, because you want to prove DE is parallel to BC. That's why you assume DE is not parallel to BC. Then DE is not parallel to BC means, what is parallel you have to consider means DE dash. A line DE dash is parallel to BC. If you draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle, then that line divides the other two sides in the same ratio. According to basic proportionality theorem, a line, if you draw a parallel line to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Then see here, if you draw DE dash is parallel to BC, then AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C according to BPT. But from data what we got here, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is why you have already taken means DE you have drawn a line. Then according to statement, if a line divides any two sides in the same ratio, already it is divided in the same ratio. That's why AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the equation 1 we consider. Here you consider DE is not parallel to BC means DE dash is parallel to BC. Then according to BPT, AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Then from 1 and 2 what you will get? See here, AD by DB, LHS side, from both equations, LHS is equal means RHS will become equal. AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Then, now what you have to prove? See here, add both sides. This is equation 3. Add both sides. Add both sides 1 to equation 3. Then see here, AE by EC plus 1 is equal to AE dash by E dash C plus 1. In the denominator nothing means you can take 1. Then take the LCM, EC it will become, then just you do cross multiplication like this, AE into 1 AE plus EC is equal to AE dash plus E dash C into 1, E dash C by E dash C by E dash C into 1 E dash. Then see here, AE plus EC, AE plus EC will become AC. AC by EC is equal to AE dash plus E dash C will become AC by E dash C. See here, AC will get cancelled. Then what are there here? 1 by EC is equal to 1 by E dash C. Then E dash C is equal to EC. Then see, E dash E dash C and EC both are getting equal means what is the meaning of this? E and E dash are coincide. Coincide means what? Coincide means E dash and E both will stay at one place. Then DE dash is parallel to BCV2. Then DE dash is equal to DE1 because E dash is equal to E. E is coinciding on E. Then DE also will become parallel. Then this only we have to prove what? A line which is dividing the other two sides in the same ratio, then that is parallel to the third side. Then that is parallel to third side. Then what we have proved? This E dash and E both are coinciding. They are coinciding. That's why DE dash is parallel to BC means DE also will become parallel to BC. Why? Because E and E dash are coinciding. Understood? Now see, if a line divides the other two sides in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. Okay, this is the converse of BPT. Now, yesterday I have given introduction about similarity, congruency, and one more important point, concentric circle definition also. Today, I have completed converse of BPT also. Then these two are very, very important. Previously, they were giving 3 marks question. Now, 3 marks, they are giving from circles only theorems. This BPT also, they are giving for 4 mark question. State and proof BPT. 99% they will give you BPT. 10% chances are there to give converse of BPT. Proof, but converse of BPT instead of proof they will ask state for 1 mark question, state converse of BPT, like that. Then that's why without missing you have to practice both. It's very small theorem, no need to struggle also. And next 2.1 exercise. Actually yesterday I have explained very clearly about similarity. Now you can, by seeing the fill-ups itself, you can answer that one. 2.1 exercise. See here, 2.1 exercise. Exercise 2.1. Fill in the blanks. Very important 1 mark questions. All circles are. All squares are. All dash triangle are similar. And fourth question, 2 polygons of the same number of sides are similar if, what are the conditions? The 2 polygons wants to become similar means what are the conditions? Their corresponding angles are, and their corresponding sides are. See here, all circles are, always all circles, whatever the circle, either big or small. See, all the circles with the different radii also, they are similar. If they are same in shape means it's enough, they will become similar. Then all squares, whatever the square. See 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter like that. Take like a 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, whatever it is. Angles are same. but sides are in proportion. That's why they are similar. That's why they are same in shape. Similar. All dash triangles are similar. Equilateral triangles, because see, for example, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter you take, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, whatever it is you take. They are same in shape but not in size. The sides are in proportion. That's why they are always similar. What type of triangles? Equilateral triangle. All equilateral triangles are similar. Then two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Proportion. Yeah, see here, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in proportion, or you can write sides are proportional. Also you can write. And now in this exercise, 4 fill-ups. These are very important 1 mark questions. With the means you have to read once or twice while answering the question. Then you can answer clearly. Don't get confused. Now see here. Give 2 different examples of pair of similar figures. Pair of similar figures. Pair of similar figures. Similar figures. Pair of similar figures. For example, just now I have written 2 circles, 1 centimeter. This is a pair of similar figure. We can take like this. These are similar. You can write. Any pair you can write. And next, non-similar figures. Non-similar figures means these are non-similar figures because they are not in same shape. Okay. And for example, like this, you may get confused. Like this. 4 sides are there. The 2 polygons are having same number of sides, but they are not in same. See, for little I will deviate it like this. See, they are having 4. This polygon is having 4 sides, but but for looking also it's not same. That's why these are not similar. They have given another problem also. Third problem they have given in this exercise. This it is having 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, A, B, C, D. And this one D, E, F, G. This they given 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. For saying, oh, sides are in proportion like that, don't get confused. Don't get confused. They are not in same shape. They are not in same shape. But that's why these are not similar. These are not similar. Don't get confused. The shape should be same always. Though they are in proportion also sides, it is not, these are not in same shape. That's why they are not similar. They are not similar. This today and yesterday I have completed introduction about triangles, similarity, congruency, and concentric circle definition also I have completed. BPT and converse of BPT I have completed, and 2.1 exercise also I have completed. Next one question I am asking you children who are following my classes. If you want full exercise, I can teach you, or otherwise if you want only important problems, that also I can teach you. Please text me and share your opinions, and if you like my videos, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you children. Thank you.